So we got the two timbers cut. There we are, bits that hold the engine. And we're now cutting the axles that Dad is kindly doing. Thank you, Dad. We've got the rough mock-up of the trolley done. As you can see, we have the axles 2 foot apart, and hopefully everything should go together. She'll be a steerable trolley. In case you haven't noticed, there's our engine over there. 1945 Wolseley, WD2, 1.5 horsepower, 700 RPM, serial number 7705. Okay. We will do fancy edges and stuff. So at the moment we're just getting the timbers cut. So just recessed one part of the wood, and now we're just going to tidy it up. As you can see, it's just a bit lumpy, so we're going to tidy it up, and we're going to do the other side as well. So then recessed in about 20mm, 2 centimeters. Okay. So it's a bit strange really, because we've got working inches and millimeters, which never seems good, but hey ho, here we go. Okay. Okay, I finished the trolley wood timbers, as I'm going to call them, there. All done. I've made 4 chops as well. So we're going to varnish those because I got bored and fed up doing that. So now let's go and start this engine now. So we're going to attempt to drain the oil, which is a bit of a nightmare because of where the drain plug is situated. As you can see, it's down there, it will run all over the place. So we're going to get a gallon can and somehow drain it out. Thinking about moving the engine. And also, this is probably the last time you'll see it together, but I want to do a little test, should we say. I want to take the spark plug out and do a compression test to see if after the end of the restoration we've increased the compression or lost any compression. Hopefully we've increased it or kept it the same. So we're going to do that now. Okay, we're now going to do a compression test. I've got the kit set up. This is going to be called a dry test, so Dad says. It's basically when you put no oil in the bore. So we've got our gauge. I don't know if you can see that. I'll take a picture of it, don't worry. Okay, we're just going to put that there. Okay, Dad, use an old camera, please. Gauge. Also swing it over. Ready? Here we go. Okay. Thank you. So our pressure is 75, 90 psi. So we got 90 psi on our dry test. So we're going to do a wet test. Be back in a. Now we're going to do a wet compression tester. Dad, again.
Done.
A wet. Ready? Okay, that's basically oil in the ball. So is it about the same? So that's the same, isn't it? So we've got the same PSI, which is 90. So it's pretty good for the sound of things. Hopefully it will rise at the end of the restoration. So just keep reminding me in the comments. Thank you. Well, that was going to be the last run before restoration of it. Well, she seems a bit temperamental. So another reason to see what's wrong with it. Just need a good clean, I believe, I think. We're just going to see. She may not start. We'll have a go. She's a bit camera shy. She may be a bit loud because she's got no silencer, but that. I can't really hear but that. that's that. Okay, now we're going to start taking the engine apart. So we're going to take off all the simple bits, tank, carburetor, inspection covers and bits like that. And then we'll do a separate thing on the head. So I'm going to take the fuel pipes off and inspection doors. And we'll see what that reveals. So, see you on the other side. All being well, should be okay. Well, we stripped the engine down, the extremities and everything, draining the oil, which is a messy job, to say the least of it. Look at it everywhere. Oh, this probably ain't designed very well. Thank God I'm making a new one. But never mind. Well, the bearings in here are, well, I should say excellent, really, because there's no play in that whatsoever. So we're okay there. I can't lift the mains up, so they should be okay. The compression test says the rings are okay. So all in all, it's pretty good. I'm quite surprised that wasn't chock-a-block with rust. So there you go, rust and everything. Come around here. We got 3 governor weights and everything. They seem to be working. I don't know. I don't know if you see the governor. The light in the way, but there you go. It all seems out there. The mags out. Maggo. Here, valves. Up and down. They seem okay. We'll do the tappet clearance and everything. We'll put them back together. Gears out. So now it's the case of getting the flywheel off and take the head off. So I'll be back in a minute. Okay, we're about to take the head off, so we'll be back in a minute. We're taking all the head studs off. And the strange thing is there's 2 long ones and 3 short ones, which I don't know why. So if anyone can shed any light on that, why they got that like that, please tell me. Thank you. Quite intrigued about that. Got the head off now, as you can see. We thought it had no head gasket, but it obviously has one. It's got like a homemade job, we'll just say that at the least. It's not looking good, but a close inspection of the bore looks quite nice. It looks like a little lip there. Can't see any scoring. The valves seem okay. We're going to clean them up and grind them in and stuff. Over to the head, seems pretty gunky and yuck. So that's the technical term, and it's full of sealer, which I don't like. Who puts sealer on a head? I do not know, but never mind. If you're watching, sorry, but there you go. That's that. So a bit, I think that's where the head gasket's been leaking. So we got a new one anyway, so we're okay there. I'll try and get some pictures of you, okay? Okay, I got something here whilst I was putting everything away. I picked up the gear just to have a closer look at it, and I discovered 2 teeth were obviously broken off at a later date of the engine. So I was quite surprised about that, as you can tell. I don't know if you can see that on the camera, but you've got 2 teeth. You would only notice it if you took the mag off, because from the back, as what you can see through the inspection door, you wouldn't just see anything. So other than that, it's okay. I don't know. I might see if I can get another one, but I'm going to see if that may be okay. It looks like a good repair. There's no play in the gears, so there's nothing wrong with it other than that. Being a Waltham engine, me and Dad suspect it's just a dodgy casting, so I don't know. Well, it looks like really good repair. The teeth are okay. Obviously ran with it. So we'll have to see if we can get a new one or leave it at that. Well, seriously, like on that. So thank you for watching, and there'll be further episodes, so thanks for watching.